Welcome you. The next lesson, the next concept after the half-life reaction of first order and zero order reaction, integrated rate equations. Integrated rate equations of first order reaction. So here we are considering the first order reaction by the mathematical part of that integration. So in order to know the values of the rate constant, again we are integrating, and these reactions are called integrated rate equations. So first we are learning that one, integrated rate equations for first order reaction. Then zero order reaction is also there. First you finish up the first order, then you go for zero order reaction. Consider a first order reaction. Consider a first order reaction. A gives rise to products. This is generally reaction. Again, we know that one for the first order reaction, minus dA by dt, change in concentration per unit time. That's a decrease in the concentration, that's a negative term, is minus dA by dt is equal to K into concentration of A. Call this equation of number 1. Here is an first order reaction, the power is 1. If there is no number, power is 1. That's the first order reaction. For zero order, it would be 0. Then take integration on both sides. By integrating both sides, here's the left hand side and right hand side. By integrating both sides or by integrating the equations. So here we have take that integrations. Again the same thing is there, minus is taken out and then integration by dA by dt. Then again the integration of K into concentration of A. Or we can change this one by just revising rearranging the A value and the T value. Here it is, the concentration comes down and dt goes there in the spot. The denominator becomes the numerator becomes denominator here. So integration of dA by A is equal to K dt. Again the logarithm of, so by removing the integration, so applying that integration constant here, so ln of minus ln of A, so this completely becomes A. Dear students, understand this one, by removing the integration we are applying integration constant. Then these things become, by removing the integration, it becomes a logarithm of A. So minus ln of A is equal to, integration cancels, kt plus I. This, call this equation number 2. Here the first one is equation number 1 and it is an equation number 2. Then here the T and I values are there, and then T and A values are A, T and I. In these three parameters we are going to change the T value and then A value. Go for that one, T is equal to 0. Consider T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Then A is equal to A naught, initial concentration. So then what it becomes? If the T is 0 in this one, anything into 0, 0 plus I. So minus ln A is equal to ln A is equal to I. So here we got minus ln A naught is equal to what? I. Then we are considering that one, A is equal to A naught. We have taken the values. Here's an A is equal to A naught. So ln A naught, A base 0, that's but 0 concentration, initial concentration. I call this equation number 3. Then after this, substitute the equation number 3 in equation number 2. Just a important derivation for the examination point of view and also the chemistry, chemical kinetics. Substitute the equation 3 in equation 2. So ln A is there, then K into T, then instead of I, what I have substituted, ln A base 0. So that I continue here. Kt is equal to ln A naught minus ln. By changing the signs, you can go through the simplification step, you'll get it. So now what I am doing here is in the next step, the T comes down. This is 1 by T. So K is equal to 1 by T into ln of A minus B. Log A minus log B is equal to log A by B. So ln of A naught divided by ln, that's A. By taking the natural log 2 base 10, what it becomes? K will be there. The K will be same. So instead of that one, when we take log, that's one constant value comes 2.303 by T into log of base 10, that's A naught by A. This is the equation of the first order reaction, integrated rate equations for first order reaction. Observe here clearly. So just to go through the different points and different steps, then you just do the practice 2 or 3 times, and the fourth time or the fifth time do on your own, you will get it. So what happens here, just we are changing this, just arranging that the values here. A naught is initial concentration A, and the final concentration is A minus X. So substitute in the equation number 4. So what it becomes, this is a equation number 4, we are substituting instead of A naught A, instead of A minus X. See here, K into 2.303 divided by T into log of A by A minus X. This is the integrated rate equations for first order reaction. I think you are clear about it. So this is the one thing. At the same time, we are going to learn applications. What are the applications of the first order reaction of integrated rate equation? Go for that. Applications of first order reaction of integrated rate equations. There are two applications are there. By taking the equation what we got in the earlier in this equation, so by rearranging this one, we can substitute the values T and log of A and then T, then we can find the concentration rate constant here. Then after that one, graphical method is there. What's a graphical method? Just we are taking this one, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of A naught by A into, observe this one, that we are converted into the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So 2.303 here, and then T will be here, then log of A by B is equal to log of A minus log of A naught by A naught minus log A. Then we need a log A concentration of that. Then what we are getting by solving this one, this is an equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, y is equal to mx plus c. Then we plot the graph here, log A versus time. Then we are getting a log A naught graph, that is a slope minus k by 2.303. This is the application questions. What are the applications of first order reactions? You should remember this one, the graphical method and the substitution method. Then we go for the another one, half-life of the zero order reaction. So I just take the break for the zero order reaction, just to revise once again and continue. Thank you for watching.